Hello, hi, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, okay, this is our setup. We have a BGP communication between router 1 and router 2. So we have AS100 here and AS200 here. So in between we have IPS transparent firewall. Okay, so if I will check the communication, for example, I want to ping router 1 from router 1 to router 2, ping 192.168.10.2, source 192.168.10.1. Okay, so we have connectivity. So if I will for example, I'll ping from loopback 0 to loopback 1 here, ping 10.10.10.1, source loopback 0. We have connectivity because we have a BGP route, show IP BGP, show IP route. So I'm learning the route 10.10.11.1 and 10.10.1 by a BGP, show IP BGP. So we're learning them by a 192.168 and we're on AS100. Okay, so if I will show IP BGP summary, so we have a connection between show IP BGP, show IP BGP, show IP route. See, we have route. Okay, so from R2, let's ping 192.168.10.1. Okay, we have connectivity. So the purpose of this video is we're going to migrate from IPS transparent firewall, and we're going to use Palo Alto. We're going to use Palo Alto as our transparent firewall. So let's try to let's say disconnect the connection of this one. Okay, so once we disconnect the connection, if I will ping this one, ping 10.10.1, I lost the connection because I don't have any more connection, right? So this time we're going to use the Palo Alto as a transparent firewall. We use the virtual wire. So let's connect this one to our E1/1, okay. Then let's connect to R2, E1/2, okay. Okay, now let's move this one here. Let's put it here. So now we have a transparent firewall. Let's test the connection. I'm sure it will not work because there's no configuration on this Palo Alto firewall. We're going to fix this one. We're going to configure transparent firewall here so we can pass the traffic from here, from router 1 to router 2. Let's test the connection also here. See, no connection. So if we log into our, let's say this our Palo Alto, right? So what we're going to do here, let's go to interface. Let me put it like this, okay, so that you can see here. Okay, so we have interface 1 and interface 2. So first, let's try to configure this one, E1/1. This is our facing north. So let's just change this one into virtual wire. Then from here, virtual wire, we're going to use we'll create a new virtual wire. So I'll put virtual var BW, then I'll just click I will not put tag anymore because I'm not using a switch. If I'm using switch, I can put tag. Okay, then if I will listen through, okay, I'll just let's try to click the default one, security zone. I'll put Antras because this is my north. I'll just click OK. So okay, so one of my Ethernet one now, it's virtual var, so I'll configure also the other Ethernet 2 virtual var, then I will use the existing virtual var, but this one I want to create a new zone, which is trust zone. Okay, so now I have this I use virtual var on those interface. So if I will go to zone, okay, I have trust E1/2 and trust E1/1. Okay, if I will go to virtual var, see on my virtual var I have interface 1 and interface 2. I have the connection of this. Okay, so what else we need to do after this one? So I'm okay, so BGP down, yeah, this is our BGP because there's a timer on our BGP. Okay, so now if I will go to my policies, I need to create a new policy. Allow communication. I'm allowing the communication from source to trust, destination, and trust, application. I'll allow ping. Okay. Sometimes I want to add all this ICMP and trace route. I like this three combination. Okay, from source, trust, let's put any here. Okay, trust zone, destination, trust, application, ICMP, any. Okay, then if I will because I need the bidirectional rule, so I'll create from untrust to trust also ICMP. Okay, so I have these rules now, so I'm expecting I have a ping connectivity between the two now. Let's wait for this configuration to be saved. While waiting, I'll do a continuous ping. Repeat 1000. Then source 192.168.10.2. Repeat 1000. See, I have a connection now. Because the communication of this one is successful. The save configuration is successful now. So now we have the ping connectivity between our connection between router 1 and router 2. Okay, so if I will, let me cancel this one. Show IP BGP. It will not work, I know, because we need to allow the BGP protocol from our transparent firewall. Show IP BGP summary. See, we need to show IP route. We don't have a BGP network routing, right? Show IP route. Show IP BGP summary. Okay, so what we'll do now? Let's try to allow. Let me check if I show IP BGP neighbor 192.168.10.1 receive routes. I'm not getting any routes, right? Same here. Same here. I'm not getting any routes. So let's try to add the BGP protocol in our firewall rules. Add BGP and commit. Okay, so while waiting for that, let's wait. BGP will come up automatically after this 100%. Let's wait. Okay, 99%. Okay, done. Committed successful. So see, BGP up, BGP up. So if I will show IP BGP receive routes, now I'm receiving routes now. So I'm receiving routes, right? So if I will do ping, from R1 loopback 0 to loopback 0 on the R2, ping 10 10.10.10.1 source loopback 0. It should work. See, it's working. Same on the other side, right? So if I will ping 10.0.0.10 from 10.10.0.0.1 source loopback 0, it's working. So if I will go on monitor, see, we have BGP session, right, between the two. What if I will do a continuous ping? Repeat 1000. Repeat 1000. So see, I have a ping from source to destination. So why you need this one? If you're migrating your, like for example, if you're using a Cisco ASA or FTD or Fortinet or any other transparent firewall that you are migrating from Palo Alto, this is the way how you will do it. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.